In this video, I'll show you how to change your country and store location in Shopify. Whether you're moving your business, setting up in a different region, or updating your store's default address. This guide walks you through the exact steps. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click Settings at the bottom left corner. From there, select Locations. You'll now see your current store location listed. This is the address Shopify uses for things like shipping, taxes, and regional settings. To add a new location, click Add Location. Here, fill in the details of your new address. You can give it a name, for example, Main Office or New Warehouse. Then enter the full street address, city, postal code, and select the correct country from the drop-down list. Once all the fields are filled in and valid, scroll down and click Save. Your new location is now added to your Shopify account. Next, if you want to make this new address your default location, go back to the Locations page. Find the new location you just added, click the Change Default Location button, and select it from the list. Confirm the change, and your store will now use this new country and address as its primary location. Changing your store's location can affect things like tax rules, shipping zones, and payment provider availability, though it's a good idea to review those settings after updating your location. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Shopify store's country and default address.